you doing? What color is that?
Looking at blue and red.
Wow, put on your paper. Ooh, look at that. Can you get some more red? Can you get some more red? Ooh. Wow. You did such a great job. That looks so pretty. Let me see your hands. Ah! That's cool, Rockbird. Wow, those are dirty hands. Messy, messy.
What's a hat?
Yeah, we're going to wash our hands. We'll take a bath later, okay?